Hi water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong daily gabay for February 15, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. Thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan. So let's see water signs. What's up with you? February 15, 2024. Okay. Focus on love. Look for the good in everyone. Punong-puno kayo ng pagmamahal ngayon, water signs. You are focusing on your loved ones, your feelings. Meron kayong inaalagaan ngayon. Yung iba sa inyo, in love kayo sa pets nyo. Oo, pwedeng meron kayong bagong pet. Tapos, in love na kayo agad dun sa pet nyo. Can be a dog, cat, or kahit anong pet. Yan. You also have new love. O, ayun na nga. Meron kayong bagong inspiration that is making you feel so in love. Yung iba pumasok sa bagong relationship. Embrace an opportunity for love in your work, prospects, or for spiritual growth. So, pwede rin naman tong hindi lang sa romantic connection, pwede rin sa career, sa trabaho, current situation mo ngayon. May bagong trabaho, bagong aalagaan, na career, na business. You also have love makes the difference. Love helps heal past hurts and provides a sense of security and self-worth. Yes. So some of you have healed, no? Nakapag-heal na kayo from your past. Kaya ngayon you are welcoming new opportunities for love, new connections, new friendships. Love kayo ngayon, water signs. So let's see your overall energy. Your overall energy. You have the 9 of Wands, the 9 of Pentacles. You've been through a lot, no? Marami kayong mga pinagdaanang challenges, pero you remain standing because you are very much independent. With the Wheel of Fortune, things are moving fast for you. Pwedeng meron kang mga bagong plans ngayon or goals na nakikita mo na you are setting your direction, the new direction. Ready ka for a new career, a new business. Yung iba sa inyo, kung meron na kayong career ngayon, may mga achievement kayo sa trabaho, may mga natapos kayong mga projects na talagang you've been working on, no? Kumbaga, sobrang trinabaho nyo to kahit medyo mahirap. So, ngayon, next chapter na kayo. Next scene, kumbaga. And I also see you na being on top of your game. You are full in control of your life right now, especially sa career mo. Yeah, there's a lot of independence here. Tingnan natin sa iyong money, career, finances. And kung meron kayong mga matagal nang hinintay or mga bagay na nade-delay sa inyo like pera, transactions, updates, flights, visa, kung ano-ano pa, this day makakita na kayo ng progress. So meron ng balita, may update na, things are moving forward. For your career, you have the 2 of Cups. You have the Fool. Okay. Parang meron kayong papasuking business partnership ngayon. Kaya lang, you really have to think about this. Okay? Kasi kung ikaw ay half-hearted, kung hindi ka sigurado, wag mo munang pasukin yung business opportunity or partnership na yan. Kasi baka nagtitake ka ng risk dito. But for some of you, if you are really sure, no, kung sure ka na sa gusto mong simulan, pasuking trabaho, career, business, then iwasan mo nang mag-overthink para makapag-move forward ka na. Kasi minsan yung overthinking, nagkukos yan ng nagre-result yan ng procrastination, no? So, yung procrastination is parang pinagpapaliban mong gawin yung mga bagay kasi iniisip mo, meron ka pang hinihintay. But, kapag kasi nag-procrastinate tayo, doon na nagsisimula yung delays, yung pagbagal, no, ng progress. So, if you're really decided, then go for it, no? Pasukin mo yung gusto mong pasukin, business partnership na yan. At kumbaga magkaroon ka ng lakas ng loob. Yan. Breaking free. Iwasan mo na rin yung pakikinig sa mga advice ng iba na wala namang experience dun sa sitwasyon mo kasi hindi nila alam yung sinasabi nila. So, you also have balancing your career and your personal life. So, maaring ngayon, mas magbibigay rin kayo ng oras at panahon sa mga importanteng bagay sa buhay mo, hindi lang sa career, hindi lang sa relationship, sa lahat, syempre pati sa sarili mo. Ayan, may rewards daw. Your hard work is paying off. So, kung ikaw ay merong mga tinatrabaho ngayon, no, yan ay magpe-pay off. Makikita mo ang resulta ng iyong pinagpaguran anytime soon. Maaring sa trabaho, meron kang marireceive na reward, award, acknowledgement, no, ng iyong boss. Or pwede rin may kasama yang bonus. O, diba? Sa love life naman, you have the Ten of Swords. So, meron kayong pinapalaya dito na relationship or connection. So, you are now focusing more on yourself, no? Oo, yung iba sa inyo, ito na yung time na nililet go nyo na yung past, yung mga nakapagbigay sa inyo ng stress, pinapalaya nyo na yan. And you are focusing on your stability, no? Yung iba sa inyo, you are building your career. Yung iba nasa entertainment industry. Marami kang options pagdating sa relationship. But it's, kumbaga, nasa sayo pa rin kung i-welcome mo ang new relationship for those who are single right now. Kasi sa ngayon, marami kang admirers, maraming may interesado sa'yo. So, yeah, nasa sayo if sino ba. You are also, some of you, itong trap na energy na to, itong limitation na to, maaring nagsiset ka rin ng boundaries sa ngayon. Pagdating sa relationship, you want a connection na totoo, gusto mo ng merong sense of, parang meron siyang sense of pagiging seryoso, no? Although merong mga nakikipag-flirt sa'yo, nagpaparinig, nagpaparamdam, okay? But I feel like you are shielding, no? Parang pinoprotektahan mo yung sarili mo sa ngayon. So, only when you're ready, diba? Okay, so that is your reading, water signs. Thank you so much. Bye.